So we're here at the Egypt Shriners Center in Tampa, Florida, our host for this event, and we've gathered DOT District 7 employees to come out and see what we're doing, along with Salt Strong Alliance and our Salt Strong Tampa chapter. And basically what we did today was create oyster catcher mats, which will be placed in the water column to help enhance the habitats out there, create structure, help with the erosion and wave action wherever they're placed. So we'll be talking to Brendan, who's our environmental scientist on the team, and he's going to say and tell us all about how to construct one of these things.
So the first piece of plastic is just for mess control, so we're not getting any concrete on the table. So once we get our cement mix, we're going to take our burlap, and you really want to manipulate it into the cement mix and move it around other directions. And so after you got your burlap landscaping cloth fully covered in cement, you're going to lay it out on your table and fully stretch it out. And it's okay if it drapes over the sides. That's just going to create a side panel for our wreath. So we have one down, and repeat the same process and double them up on top of each other. And you're going to slide these forms underneath. And the reason we're doing like this is just to make sure that we have a good seal on our two pieces of burlap. We're going to lay it back down and even these out so that they're creating troughs. And the one thing you'll also have to make sure is that you leave about 6 to 8 inches of tail, and so that is so we can put 10-inch landscape staples into the substrate to hold these down, because once they congregate oysters on them, they'll become so heavy that they will not be moved. And then after we have that all done, we'll just take our last piece of plastic and just lay it over the top, and then this will sit until the chapter meeting. Like I said, it takes about 8 hours to dry, and then another 24 hours to cure, and then they are good to go into the water.
All right, I want to thank you for coming out and organizing all the build for this event. It's been spectacular. Everybody sure has enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you, and I'm excited that there's so much excitement over these, and ready to get them in the water because they really are going to do so much for Tampa Bay.